Pula no hai tiprasa lukurokno nakar sanjaphiwo je problem soli tongmani Hyderabad ni gotona no tui bala kebangma tiprasa rok thamsibo kajak jobo jolijak tei o problem ni news okno tui bo kebangma news kotor channel logo abo dajak tei kebaksa social media influencer tei sini leader sokbo a video rokno upload khaijak obono tui kebangma problem create ongoi tongkha je Hyderabad ni program 13 tarik Disember ni program bo Bubagra no governor mana khlaio o Hyderabad to program khlairona ruya omo haike jotono khorang tisawi reaction khlaijak social media o lukurok nugui tongo comment khlai tongo kok salai tongo obono tui singbo belai khano wanajak singbo belai khano bwkhao dujak tei o je kok sanai borokno je oro number laiye kok salaiye omo hai problem create dengkha abono tui singbo belai khano wana laijak tei chini bisingo bo kwbangma obono tui kok salaiye tongo tei phiaba tabuk je o problem kaisa political issue haike kotoma ongoi thangka news channel logo kachawi thangka tei oborokno tui debate pojonto soliwi thangka hingke oborok to tini kwbangma borok Hyderabad tiprasa rokni uporobo je tiprasa thansa welfare society hanai tongnai o borokni sakao bo kisa misa baksa jolijagui hunmani kutukmani amo hairok comment eba baithang call khai samani amo hairok bo nugjagui tongo ang sakbai thangba ani thanio kwbangma tirpurani call sokpaikha jotono no bujogui clarification khlainani bagui ekdom saitokmang tai kwbangma call sokpaikha tirpurani ani thanio bo tangui omo haike Bubagra no Kasw tangui omo haike Bubagra no Kasw hanai kwbangma borokni thani question even ani best friend ani dol ani kami amjani borok jotono kwbangma borok no besirbag o issue no tui call khaikha hingke ang tini o video no tui o audio message no tui balai khano clarification khainani nangui tongkha baksa borok sauje nong oboni video no fully details khai sadi Sabo Bubagra no Kasw tangui Kasw na boba haike kok salaika tamo salaika pura details khai video snambui sadi hanai kwbangma borokni call phaikha ani oro hingke aboni bagui ang o video no snamnani hinui ma uansuka tamni hingke kwbangma borok no obono tui chaya uansugui tongkha hingke aboni bagui ang nakarsano Bubagra ni thani to ang barbano nakarsano obono tui haipono tini obono clarification khainani bagui ang o video no ma swnamnai hingke tabuk je chini takhuk Dinesh bai Hyderabad ni Onjonialu kok salaimani a jagao full audio record kri just cut khlaiui audio record khlaiui sajak aboni bagui ang ani o video ni bisingtui je mansak fully audio record no tui ang oro upload khainani bagui saitoknai even ang obono kisa oro tamo salaikha aborok no tui bo ang norokno bujiri da mano eba obono srai khlai da mano obono tui ang saitoknai kwbang borok jolijagui mano chajagya ongui mano haipono omo markheno issue kotoma ongoi thangka emonki issue kotoma national level issue haising tongsi kotor news channel o kajak hingke oboni bagui obo jesekapno khlainani nangui tongkha amoni bagui ang joto lukurokno bo nakarsano but obo srai wnglaina nangnai Bubagra Hyderabad to phaiui safe da na safety bini tode tong kwdi kwrui oborokno sui chwng kwbangma uansugui no Hyderabad to Sabo Bubagra no mana khai obono tui srai wnglaina nango tei soi da mana khlai tong soi da obo hai issue wngkha o ground report o abono tui kisa te kok salaiyana.
Hello. Brother Anjanelu from Hyderabad.
Please tell me, Tamang Khan.
You know Hindi?
Tell me, bro.
Actually, मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ.
बोलो.
जो त्रिपुरा का लोग है ना हैदराबाद में उनका जो भी प्रोग्राम्स जो भी है मैं देखता हूँ एक्चुअली लास्ट 3 ईयर से. अभी आपका किंग आ रहा है ना इधर हैदराबाद में, मैं सुना 13 तारीख को 30 को.
जी.
आप एग्जांपल देखिए भैया, आप रहता बेंगलुरु में, हम रहता हैदराबाद में.
आपका नाम क्या बोला?
Anjaneyulu. I'm not Tripura, but I am responsible for Tripura in Hyderabad.
Okay.
अभी तक जो भी प्रोग्राम्स है पूरा राजभवन तरफ से जो भी तेलंगाना में मैं उन लोगों को सपोर्ट करता हूँ, मैं उन लोगों को एवरीथिंग मदद करता हूँ. आपका सारा किंगर है ऑल और वेलकमिंग.
Oro songo audio tamno ka puila segang sini Tipra People Foundation ni director by tabuk onjoli alu borok sini mong relaikha je ani bumong onjoni alu tai bo hai hinsaka nang tongo Bangalore ang ka Hyderabad ang Tripura niya tai kaisa botam saka ang o jagao Tripura by Tripura by Telangana ni borodok ni je program rokno tuyei ang naikini khlaio Rajbhavanni jagarogo ni omo haike bo o jagao kok saka tai bo tam saka je Bubagra phainani hinai nini king hinai sao raja hinai sao oro bo haino normal chaya raja hinai sao bo raja hinai no mani wo norong ni raja Hyderabad to 13 tariko phai tongubla hinai saka ka hingai bo tam saka nang to Bangalore tongo जों तो अरो Hyderabad तो तंगो ओके हाइपनो निनी राजा नो जों वेलकम खायु Hyderabad तो नै साजाक
आपका सारा किंगर है ऑल और वेलकमिंग. That is the all Tripura's person's hero. I am one small request. We are in Hyderabad. Our people will come to Bangalore. They will organize in program without information, without example. आपका नाम मेरे का डेविड भैया है क्या? आपका नाम क्या था?
Dinesh.
दिनेश जी, what your opinion, thinking?
See, okay, let me tell you clarity on this, okay? We run an NGO. We are a foundation.
This is for your Bangalore NGO, not for Hyderabad. Okay.
No. Listen, my brother. Listen to me for the first place, okay?
Okay.
We run an NGO all over South, not only in Bangalore, but also in Hyderabad, in Kerala, and in Chennai.
South, okay, no issues.
Okay? In the whole South. It's
Yeah,
not
South,
just of Bangalore.
South, I know,
Yeah,
South.
Yes. I am completely responsible for the South.
Okay.
Now, because Maharaj is connected and we all connected together, we have a team in Hyderabad as well. So we, as an organization, we are organizing an event in every states, including Chennai and Kerala as well.
Okay.
On 13 we have in Hyderabad. On 14 we have in Bangalore. On 17 we have in Kerala.
Yes.
And on 21st we have in Chennai.
Yes, wonderful. Yes.
Or tam salaika nadi o jago saka je noni Bangalore jodi no o jaga ni boro rok thangei aro local ni boro rok no information diyawi program khaika hanke nengle obonoti tamo wan suk no honai bo o jaga o chini Tipra People Foundation ni director no sungka ar pore Tipra People Foundation ni director bo saka je ang whole south ni organizer no nai organization no nai tongo te organize khlai tongo tai bo saka je Chennai o dino khajaknai Bangalore o dino khajaknai tai Hyderabad o dino khajaknai Kerala o khajaknai o bahai program khajaknai ni saka chini Tipra People director da details ar pore oro onjon yalo tamasaka fine wonderful ni saka mane no belai ka ham ni saka.
On 13 we have in Hyderabad. On 14 we have in Bangalore. On 17 we have in Kerala.
Yes.
And on 21st we have in Chennai.
Yes, wonderful. Yes.
So that is why, see, I have called the other team members or other members who are there, say Tripura, Hyderabad Tibrasa Thansa, that society welfare group.
Okay.
I have called them as well, saying, come, let's do it together. I have asked them to send me their logo so that I can put their logo in the poster, saying, let us do it to welcome our Maharaj in Hyderabad, so that all the Tripuri people can come together and organize this event to welcome him in Hyderabad.
Who organized in Hyderabad? You organized, all Maharaj organized.
Yes.
Who organized?
I organized the whole South.
How many people you know in Hyderabad?
So far, all the Tripuri people probably around 300-400.
Yeah, actually, I'm telling you, if your program success in Hyderabad, without move Tripura Tansa Hyderabad Telangana Association, they are working last 4-5 years in Hyderabad. Okay, you are responsible for your Maharaj. I respect you, but don't ignore this local organization.
Obon pore Anjani alu okokno saka je nung o jagani local ni organization no ignore khlaiye program khaika hingke nini program success sengklak tangui tawuk sini tipra people foundation ni tini da dines to oro 400-500 borok no se sinio but oro po 2-3 hazar borok tongo tei kwbangma borok no tiprasa thansa welfare society ni bisingo bo kwbangma member tongo kwbangma group o borok tongo aboni bagui no oroni organization borok bai miliwi o program no khlaya hingke program success ongi mai glak borok kom ongi manu amte heke samani kokse o jaga onjoni alu
Let me clarify again another point.
Dinesh bhai, you are working for your Maharaj. I respect you, but you don't divide and rule.
I have not done it.
No,
Bro,
you
I
are
have not done it.
you and your people
No,
are
no,
doing
no.
this.
orochi onjoni alu tam hnei sa je omo haike ta khaglai di divided ta khailai di ta khaglai di abo saimano je bo agino saimano Hyderabad to tiprasa thansa welfare society obo tongo tai tipra people foundation nei group kainei ongoi tongo bo obono saimanka tangei obono kok sanani sekang bo Dinesh ni number nanani sekang bo chini takuk omor kisur bai kok saja bo o kok rok no saimano te agibo bo sawiman ka tiring ni pore kwbangma problem onglaiye ungko ui dol kaklaimani tipra people foundation che TTWS nei bobo o kok no saimano aboni bagui no bo sawo je tak khaklai di dibai ta unglai di nei saw tangi onjoni alo obini o message bo o call bo ama hai hin saka je norong ni borok ama hai ke dibai dengi tongu norong ni borok khinsabo you people this ni bo o jago na di bo oro sawo norong ni borok ama hai ke khaglai tongo so tangke bo saimano Hyderabad to tipra people foundation TTWS ni kwbangma controversy chole jaga gi bo abo bui phatar ni borok saime apni chini bisingo omo choli tongo obo bo information mano ayangti bo mano yangti bo mano bo jingna saiman tongo aboni bagin bo sawo norong ni borok omo hai ke dibai denglai tongo nei tamke bo musung jagya chini borok hai ke dibai dengi bodol kaine ngi kok banglai tongtung bo musung jagya thansa kai tongtung eklogi khlai norok bodol kai unity khlai samung khadi hai ke norok je demand khaimani abo manai bobo saimano agini simeno bo sawo je chepru chini group problem ngai kaglai purbo bo abo sawo norok thansa khlai unity kai tongdi oba hai ke demand khai hingke se norok je sa kungsa khlai manai o jaga o hini bo agi bo sajak tong hingke aboni bagini bo o kokno o jaga o tisau
No.
Bro,
You
I
are
have not done it.
you and your people
No,
are
no,
doing
no.
this. I'm not.
Let me clarify this.
I'm
Ezekiel, you
not
said your
responsible
name is
person,
Ezek,
but
right?
I am calling you. I'm not a responsible
Okay,
person.
yeah,
I'm calling
I
you.
got your point. That's why let me clear you beforehand before you come and question me anything.
I came Delhi. I met your Maharaj in Jantar
Mhm,
Mantar. You don't know,
mhm,
maybe.
Okay.
David Anna is by walk. He came to Delhi.
Yes,
He's my
yes,
friend.
yes.
I am looking all northeastern programs in Hyderabad
Okay.
from
Good. That's really nice.
Rajbhavan side and from
Mm,
BJP side.
mm,
I'm the NGO, but I'm
mm,
not involving this program. But
mm.
I'm requesting you, don't divide and rule. Don't go to
Let me
British rule.
let
oro onjoni alu tam saka bo sawo je ang Rajbhavan ni bwkhaktei tei BJP ni bwkhaktei bo all notice ni borok no project kono program hangka ang obono coordinate khayo nayo hone bo o jaga o saka aboni bagui norok divide tak khailai di tak khaglai di hone bo oro saw mane sungno thansakai program khlai di hini sana naima se bo abo engke tak khaglai di hone bo oro sawo thansakai khlai di hna samani ta engka bo oro sini Tipra People Foundation ni director no thansakai khlailai di tak khaglai di nisa tangi okok no saba bo tak divide tak khai di hine samani karon nungkha o jaga o bodol kaineng tongo Tipra People Foundation by TTWS obo bodol kaglai jak aboni bagi bo sawo je amo khaike divide tak khailai di ne bo barbar kok saitong
But I'm
mm,
not involving this program. But
mm.
I'm requesting you, don't divide and rule. Don't go to British rule. No, no,
Let
no.
me tell you clearly, my brother. You are
No, no, no,
going
no,
to a
no, no,
wrong
no,
direction at this point.
Vijay Dev Barma, Vijay
Let
Dev
me tell
Barma.
you, my
No, no,
brother.
no, no, no,
Be clear about
no,
Bijoy
no, no,
Devarma.
no,
I'll
no,
tell
no,
you
no,
what
no,
about
no, no,
Bijoy Devarma.
देखो मैं आपका प्रोग्राम सक्सेस होने के लिए मैं आपको फोन कर रहा हूँ नहीं तो दिस इज नॉट माय
Yeah,
मैटर नॉट माय
similarly,
जॉब
I
आल्सो
would need a help. I need a help.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
Okay,
you
I
need
need a
help
help.
नहीं नहीं you need help without Vijay Dev Barma in front of the figure in Hyderabad you not success in Hyderabad.
tai bo oro tamosa je haipono ang nong ni program bo ang involving ya Tamike ang norongni program no successful khlainani bagise ang no call khai kok saitongo. Tangi bo dines no call khai kok saitong success program successful khainani hnai tamike oro bodol kaklaijak bo saimamani bage o bodol no ek khai khlai ongko ka program khlaikai program successful nai bo o kok no sanani naitongo onjoni alo. Awon pore tam salaika o jagao salaika je tini Dipra People Foundation ni dine sarbo saka je help nango mane o program no success khainani bagi kaisa help nango mahaike saka angkai oro onjoni alo sangka nung help nango saka nung help nango ke oro Bijay Devor mano bungko tubuya hangke program bo successful nani mane engi maya tamini ke bo saimano je Bijay Devor mani uklogo kwbangma borok tongo nei bo akibo nubu nugjak sung khobo khlaijak omo haikeno abon bage bo okok no sakado onjoni alo engkai tei kaisa tongo je oro tabuk sini da dine saka je Bijay Devor mano Sabo leaders na Bijay Devor mano Sabo leader hini sini mongru omo haike bo o jago saka engkai onjoni lo saka bo saima bahaike obno tuyei bo saka je Bijay Devor mana angsi leaders na bo Hyderabad to saka engkai tabu onjoni alo o jagao tamsa खनाई
देखो मैं आपका प्रोग्राम सक्सेस होने के लिए मैं आपको फोन कर रहा हूँ नहीं तो दिस इज नॉट माय मैटर नॉट माय जॉब
I
आल्सो
would need a help. I need a help.
नहीं नहीं
Okay?
you need
I need a
help
help.
नहीं you need help without Vijay Dev Burma in front of the figure in Hyderabad you're not success in Hyderabad your
Okay,
program
let me ask you, my brother. Who is Bijay Devarma now?
Tripura Tansa Hyderabad president you
How
don't
is
know
Bijay Devarma known today?
huh
Do you have any idea how is Bijay Devarma known today?
means
No, any idea how did Bijay Devarma come into the picture as a leader in
he's
Hyderabad
the
because of
Tripura
Tansa? Do you have any idea about it? Do you know the history about it?
yeah tell me
I'll tell you. I am the one who had appointed Bijay Devarma as the leader in Hyderabad.
why you are not approaching Vijay
Listen,
Dev Burma
I'm telling, let me clear my point, okay? I know you might have got wrong information or they might have given you some other information. But let me clear you
You
this.
no no no
Listen to me clear.
no no
Let me clarify myself first. You're not giving me a chance to talk, my brother.
one thing you don't know already Raj Bhavan also planning to conduct a big northeast event in
That
Hyderabad
that I
northeast no no
see.
सुनो आप सुनिए पहले northeast is going to Raj Bhavan is planning to conduct a big northeast festival in Hyderabad cultural festival in Hyderabad the 13th December same time same day okay hello
Same day.
same day same time.
But that hasn't been informed to us.
Yes, not right. They, I
See,
am,
okay, okay. Let me tell you one.
सुनिए आप
Okay.
सुनिए. I am the in charge for Raj Bhavan all northeastern programs. I am the coordinator northeast.
Okay. I'm sorry, I missed your name.
Anjanelu. I informed to
Anjanelu.
Raj Bhavan. 13th December, your king is
But
coming from from Tripura. It not possible. I told them.
Awani pore borok tam salaika nadi je sini sar dines bai je borok salaika je ang bupi je bungko onjoni alu saka ang notice ni beba culture ongko notiye coordinate khlai tongo hengkai te governor house ni hoite bo aro notice ni festival tongo 13 tarik December same day same time bo 13 tariko di ongko tongo program tongo ngai bo saka tamke bono governor house ni hoite bo sahorjak tongmani bagui bo okokno saka phiaba bo governor house o saka je governor house ni borok rokno saka je 13 December o Tripurani king phai tongo ni saka 13 December o Tripurani king phai tongo no o governor house ni program abo possible ya ni bo governor house o inform khaika tamni khaibo governor house o sairika je o notice ni je program khaina huma jaga o Tripura sarok eba Tripura ni borok involve ongi manglak omo haike bo sairika je tangi involve ongmai haike Tripura ni raja phaitongo kajino Tripura sarok bongni raja bai malaina thanai bobo obno bujibo gabon bagai bo governor house o inform khaika adino je notice ni jodi program 13 December o tongkha governor house hongke abo possible ongi maya manjagi maya ni bo ayango inform khaika sabno governor house yango mana khaimani kok ya o jaga o nai di kaham ke khnai nai di yango mana khayabo mane no Bubagra no mana khaya tam ke governor house ni program no se bo oro mana khaito
I informed to
Anjanelu.
Raj Bhavan 13th December, your king is
But
coming from Tripura. It's not possible. I told them. Maybe.
oh, I'll meet you.
No, no, no. I informed them that that day king is coming from Tripura. It's not possible. I told them. Okay.
Why will it not be possible?
King is coming. Though programs is a clash.
Okay, yes, that is
Yeah,
understandable.
I
See,
told.
okay, brother,
No,
let me
no, no,
clear you.
no,
Um,
first,
yeah,
first,
no,
first,
you
first,
haven't
first,
given
first,
me a
first,
chance
first,
to
no, no,
clarify
no,
you anything yet.
first complete my thing, okay?
Hmm.
Actually, bro, your king is fighting. Last, I met your king. I discussed your king in 10 minutes in Jantar Mantar, okay?
When did you meet last?
Last time Jantar Mantar.
That is on the rally.
David Wiz came
On the
from
rally, right?
rally.
Okay,
That day I met your king. But
fine. That's really nice to know.
no, no,
That's
no,
really great.
my request. Here all minimum 70 to 80% all working under Vijay Dev Burma. You are ignoring Vijay Dev Burma. Your program is not success.
Now, can I know who has told you about this ignorance?
Everything I know.
No, no, no.
No, no,
See,
no. Dekho.
you might have known later.
No, no, no,
No, no, no. Sirji, you are not
no,
ready
no.
to listen to what I'm going to say.
Yes, tell me.
If you are a good organizer, you should be listening to every point,
Yes.
right?
Tell me.
Let me tell you. I came to Hyderabad, had a meeting with all these team members. Even a person or 3 or 4 people from Bijoy's team were also there along with me.
All team Vijay
Okay.
team only strong.
Listen. Now you are feeling they're all strong, right? I agree and I accept it. I appreciate their efforts. I am not ignoring them or I am not denying them. I told them, come, we are working together as a Tiprasa, as together, as Thansa, right? Vijay Devrama was part of my team earlier.
Okay, earlier. Okay, nice.
Okay. I'm telling you clearly now, back when he started in this Vijay Devrama as the leader.
Yes.
Later part, couple of other team has come saying, let us also create another team. So I said, okay, go ahead, no problem. I don't mind. And they did that. I have no objection on that as well. Even in this event, I have asked them, I have invited them, spoke to them in a meeting saying in a face-to-face, okay? I came to Hyderabad for a face-to-face only for this. I told them, this is what it
You
is.
met Vijay Dev Burma?
Vijay Devarma, I had been calling him, I had been
No,
asking, I
you
had
met
been
Vijay Dev
messaging him.
Burma.
I haven't met him yet.
Vijay Dev Burma is
Frankly saying,
doing very well in
listen,
Hyderabad. You don't know.
I know what Bijoy is doing. I know what Bijoy is doing. I had called Bijoy a couple of times. I had texted him Bijoy also a couple of times, but I have not got any response from him.
When you are coming Hyderabad?
I came to Hyderabad. How come Johar Devarma has reached?
No. When you are coming?
I don't remember the date. Probably it's on 9th November or so. No.
Yes, 9th
A later part after 9th. So probably 9, 10, 11 November or so.
9, 10, 11, we'll sit the Tripura Tansa session along with you.
See. No. You are asking when I am coming to Hyderabad. No,
Yes,
I'm saying I came to Hyderabad. मैं
No,
Hyderabad आया था.
next time
Next
when you are
time तो
coming.
मैं program के लिए ही आएगा.
Tabuk o jagao onjonia lu tam kok saka kaham ke seng bujinani nangudo o jagao bakaisa onjonia lu saka je governor house no bo inform khairika 13 tarik December o governor house o program mangka yang Tripurani Bubagra bo phaitongo ayang program ke governor house o bahike program khlaini ba Tripurani boro Tripurani raja bai malainya thangnai aboni bagi bo saka je abono o je governor house ni program no abo possible ya tamke Tripurani raja phaitongo Tripurani boro raja malainya thangnai governor house ni program khaine ni possible ya duita program hne bo governor house o inform khaijak ni o jaga sauka hamke bujiwi nati bo oro saka je Bijoy ni thani bo 80% tiprasa borong Bijoy ni thani bo tongui tongo tamke omo haike bo tange kok sakanke bo bunugui tongo che 2022 ni hoite Bijoy mangno o jaga bo bwskango basa ui tipra sarokno tuidului samong khai tongmani bo nugui tongo kwthuiri hoitani ingthung tei kwbangma borok Bijoy accident nungphuru bo bongni local ni borok kwbangma leaders rok wngthung kwbangma podrepot party ni kaisa party ni ya Congress pa nungkha Telangana ni je Telugu Darshan party pa nungkha BJP pa nungkha kwbang borok Bijoy Devarma no accident nungphuru bono a jaga bo suba baikha engke borok saimanu je Bijoy Devarma ni thani o kwbangma borok tongo nung jodi Bijoy Devarma no ignore khaye program khaina nai tongkha hengke ni program successful ongla hne akok no bo saka o jagao da dines bosaka je chungagi tipras bijoy deborma ang mai miliwi no kam khai tongmani ngoi tongmani hengke ar pore bo alada ngai thangka thik ase alada ngai thangka obo hairoka kwbangma or norok khnai manka hengke te oro onjoni alu tam saka je bo sauje bijoy deborma belai kam khlai tong kaham khlai tongo Hyderabad to hanai onjoni alu saka samani yagulo te kaisa tam saka hangke nung bufuru Hyderabad to phaine hine bo chini tipra people foundation ni chini sar dines no tinda dines no bo sungka nung bufuru phainai hingka da dines abono kisate bujimai angkhana hingke bo sungka je nung Hyderabad to phaike hingke je tipra people by je TTWS association kenika asugui kok salainai hini bo oro onjoni alu saw tamni bagi kenika asugui kok salainai hini bo saka question sungni nai kengka sung saimano je o jagao kuni bodol kaglai tongmani bobo abono somodan khlai thansa khlai rnani muchung jago amo haike bobo oro kok sai tongdu nainai di bini kok ni mote.
When you are coming Hyderabad?
I came to Hyderabad. How come Johor Deborma has reached?
When you are coming?
I don't remember the date. Probably it's on 9th November or so. No.
Yes, 9th
A later part after 9. So probably 9, 10, 11 November or so.
9, 10, 11 will sit the Tripura Tansa session along with you.
See. No. You are asking when I am coming to Hyderabad. No,
Yes,
I am saying I came to Hyderabad. मैं हैदराबाद
No,
आया था.
next time
Next
when you are
time तो
coming.
मैं program के लिए ही आएगा.
In case without Vijay Dev Verma, your program will not success. I'm clearly I'm telling.
Why would I even think without Vijay Devarma my program will not succeed? Now you are dividing it. I am not dividing it.
Raj Bhavan is forcing to conduct the same day big program.
Okay, I don't mind if
Okay.
Raj Bhavan is
No.
conducting or whatever it is.
You are in
See, you are going with the whole Northeast, right?
you are in
If
Bangalore.
you are going with the whole Northeast, you should be going along with everything. नहीं सर आप मेरी बात सुनने के लिए रेडी नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं आप सिर्फ ना ब्लाइंडली जो बताया गया है वही फॉलो कर रहा है. बट आप हमारे बात सुनने के लिए रेडी नहीं हो रहा है. अगर हम बैंगलोर में हो या जहाँ भी हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारा पूरा फील्ड होता है पूरा साउथ इंडिया में. वो समझो बात को.
वेलकम, नो इश्यूज,
तो
थैंक
ये
यू.
बात को समझो ना मेरे भाई. आप
नहीं,
यहाँ डिवाइड एंड रूल हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं.
डिवाइड कर रहा है,
डिवाइड एंड रूल आप खेल रहे हैं, हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं.
लोकल में जो काम कर रहा है उसको इग्नोर करके तुम नया
लोकल में जो भी हो ध्यान उसको बोलो मेरे से बात करे एक बार. नॉट इवन सिंगल टाइम ही रिस्पोंडेड टू माय कॉल.
बात नहीं करते जी
सर.
आप
अगर नहीं करना है ना तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. विजय देववर्मा मेरे से बात नहीं करेगा. कौन है विजय देववर्मा जो मेरे साथ बात करेगा?
यू पिक ए रॉन्ग पर्सन.
हिम्मत है, अगर विजय देववर्मा के पास हिम्मत है तो मेरे से बात करने के लिए बोलो. ऐसा उल्टा सीधा जाके पीछे कुछ उल्टा सीधा बात करना ना बोले.
देखेंगे जी, देखेंगे. ठीक है, राइट, ओके.
আর পরে চিনি দা দিনে সাবাইমানি পরে বসাকা যে আঙো হাঙ্ক সাউথনি বেবা গঙ্ক নাयो हाइनायो हनि बसाबाय परे ओके वेलकाम नो इशू हिनि साका माने न लामसगु कुनो प्रॉब्लम करे हिनि अनजनियालो अ जागाव साका हिंके आबन परे बसाका जे दिनि दा दिने साका जे विजय देववर्मा साबो ब आंबो वाइसेपनो कक्साया बिनि थानि वताम हिमतong माने ब कोनो ब आसुनो काहामगे बतांगे आंबो कक्साया हाइसाया हिनि अ जागाव विजय देववर्मा साबो माने ब अ जागाव विजय देववर्मानि कग्रनो सालायाको अनजनियालो अलो कग मुसा साना नाइलिया तै दा दिने साका जे बनी दा दिनेशनी जे कक सामानि मते हिंके विजय देववर्मा से अंजनी आलु न अमा हाइके कक सादी हिनै अंजनी आलु न ब बाय कक सारि वइतनि दिनेश देववर्मा बाय कक सारि वइतनि वो हनै चिनि सात दिनेश हिंके वानसुका अंजनी आलु न विजय देववर्मा दागि वइ अंजनी आलु अमा हाइके कक साइतं फयो हनै बखे वानसुगै अमा हाइके सागा ओ जत फुल्ली भिडियो खनावै नायबाय मानि परे वो अंजनी आलु थाइचाफानो नंगनि राजा ओ हैदराबाद ता फाइtung program cancel खाइरनाय हाइरनाय हनै काइसापानो कक तो सायादो नर फुल्ली ऑडियो खनाय नायदि नांखा हिंगे आं तेवाइसा ओ ऑडियो न सेपरेटली के फुल ऑडियो अपलोड खाइरनाय नरक जदि न बुजिया आंनि टंका फुल्ली ऑडियो रहदि हिंसा के आं रोय रोनाय बाट ओ जे ओरो अंजनी आलु program no tuye Bubagra ni program no tuye bo kunu dino mana khaya tamke bo sawo je Bijay Deborma bai miliwoi nung thansa khlai program khaikya se program successful ngai norok thansa ke program khaikya se program successful ngai a kogono bo o jaga o saitongo awni bagi no paithak digi bo sawo je nung o local ni organization no khai kare bahai ke program khainei ba ama haike bo kok saka ama haike divide and rule ta khala di ni bo o jaga so na di o jaga bebag audio khanamani yagolo kunu dino onjonialu ama haike bo mana khlaya je Bubagra no Hyderabad to program ota phaitung hai phaitung ke program cancel khadi hai khadi ni o audio ni bisingti do kaisa pano sing o jaga wo nukya te khanayata hinga awni bagi no o audio ni bisingti hinga onjonialu kok samani bo o jaga wo sing nugui mano bo governor ni bukhaktei oma hai sajagi program bodo khadi hin saka hai saka amo hai bo kunu kok samani kri main kok he bo oro Governor ni house je program tongmani abono se bo saitongo je obo possible manglak tangui Tripura ni king phaitongo borok ni borok ayang thangna engke bahike rajbo bono phainai ba bo okok sanan nai tongmani chini takok dinesno akok si bo sanan nai tongmani actually bini oro full audio khnai nai ke bo chini bukhago engise bo kok saitongmani kalayo do mane Tripura sarok ni bukhago ke kok saitongmani Bubagra phaike engke bong ni borok ni ayango thanai baike rajbo bono program manai ba o maike bo kok sawi rajbo bono inform khaimani an pore sungnu khaje governor ni Twitter rogo bo sungnu guimano a jaga ro wote anko post khaijak abono bang norokno screenshot dirwane hinga nadi o jaga bo onjonia lukunu dino Bubagra no Hyderabad to tak khaidi eba program tak khaidi cancel khaidi governor house ni hoita haike order phaijak hai phaijak kunu phano kok saya even bo sawo welcome si hinsau te kaisa audio tongo abono bo ang clear ke te waisa kok sawne aro tambo onjon yaluni saya tambo sa tamno tuye abono bo ang kisa norogno o audio no clear khlanya musongo tamke obo belai khno issue kotorong thaka politically issue kotorong thaka news channel kotorogo kaka takuro bukro hinka clarification maya hinke borok tam ngaiba negative thoughts sui phainai obuni jaratei olo singse o local borok be problem ngai Alka jaga o tam hone kok salaiya Sabo bai tam hone kok salai tong abutang saimia but o audio ni bisingti hinke onjon yalu o jaga o Bubagra no ta phaitung hini mana khaibani nukjakya o audio ni bisingti hinke o jaga o da dines kok bokman hinke Bijay Deborma songse obo haike onjoni yalu no number ruwoi kok sariwoi kok bang rewoi toni wo obo haike da dines ni wansukma hinke o jaga o phaikya phiaba last sing clear angka onjoni yalu ni number denai abongkha Tripura People Foundation ni no khoroksa leaders no bo sini da Omor Kishore Jomotia bose onjon yalu no da dines ni number woi omo haike kok salari toni do tabo angte baisa kok sanamu songo onjon yalu 5 hoite 6 time ani thaniwo Tripura People Foundation ni Dines Deborma ni number sanka Bubagra ni number sanka MLA rok ni number sanka minister rok ni number sanka angke boni number bonoriya tamke ang bono sawo nadi obo ang nono number rani kogya nang Tripura sarok ni kacharo kunu kok sana nangya nei apurbo ang bono sajato abon bagi ang mo number ya Bijay Deborma bo number ya Bijay Deborma no bo kabang ma ban no number sanja khaipono number ya phiaba o jaga bo Tripura People Foundation ni je borok sinita Omor Kishore Jomotia bosi number phiaba o jaga majara Sabo manjagi tongkha ani buskang ni audio video ungko sarangma jaga o ang onjon yalun songka nono Bijay Deborma da o kok sadi hini sa hinke Bijay Deborma saya governor da sadi hinsa governor bo saya ni bo ajaga bo clear no bo ajaga bo saka mane no o jaga onjoni yalu tangi bo basai tongke bo thik no notice ni kaisa coordinator song bo saimono 2022 23 24 25 jora tabuk sung bo anytime bo chini borok no help khayo support khayo rang angkha rang boro am haikeno bo tongo do ekdom bo ama hai borok no discriminate khanya eba Tripura sarok no sajak yang nai amti hai borok ya even borok jo to chini Tripura ni situation political situation Tripura sarok ni situation no bujiu abon bagi borok jora sung no joli jago nong Tripura sarok thansa kri unity kri norok ama haike sob somoy no buini dapa ba thingjak tangmani bagi tolaw kologo borok o kobrok bo sawo chung no norok ni borok se thik kri hini Angka awan bagi belai jora sungno advice kaham riwo tabung norong ni Tripura sase governor oro Hyderabad to phakya Tripura bobo ni bagi kok sadi norok hne omo haike bo koksaru chini telugu o jepuru Indrasena ready by Tripura ni governor by Tripura thansa Hyderabad song malai puru bo logi bo tongo te oro jepuru jisunu sarno jepuru memory dom rekha Tripura bo ni bage apuru bo logi tongo bo onek support khlaika apuru Tripura bo sandi nong ni borok si hne nong ni borok no sainja hne norok sabono sanai omo haike bo chungno onek jaga koi support khlaiye amo haike samong tang rekha chungno bo amo haika Tripura sarokno siming ado bo all notice ni borok no Arunachal nungthung Meghalaya ungthung Nagaland ungthung Sikkim ungthung eba Manipur ungthung eba Mizoram nungthung jottono no bo sawo amo haike norok o jaga sandi nong ni bagi bomon sandi hai sandi amo haike bo sob somoy no kok sai tongo mane support khai tongo awni bagi no sabo sanjaka jotto notice ni borok no oro bobon sabo sanka awni bagi oroni CM bo announce khlaika awni bagi no hinke tangi bo chungno asuk support khai tong te kaisa ang sairwani bini background bini logi songungkha Manipur ni Onjoni alu ni bihi kungkha Manipur ni bo aboni bagi notice ni borok no bo belai support khlaio Onjoni alu especially chini tribal borok no tebo support khlaio bo tebo logi ribo nainai khanke hinke awni bagi chung o audio message ni bising tito chung oro bini kaisa pano bo Bubagra no Kasw mani oro program takhladi hai takhladi hne bo kaisa pano Kasw mani krei tabo ke bo oro Bijoy Debormani bumung nakha Bijoy Debormani bumung tangi nazar tamike bo Bijoy Deborma bai logi tuya koi kobangma Tripura sarok bai logi tila koi program khaipaijak Bijoy Deborma no o jaga o leader bo obnon chinu Dinesh Deborma Bangalore leader manu bo haipono bono Onjoni alu Dinesh Deborma sabo chiniya tamke Hyderabad to bo Bijoy Deborma no chiniu aboni bagi se bo Bijoy Debormani bumung nahari o jaga bo kok sao tei o Bijoy Deborma bo kuni dino saya je Onjoni alu sar nang Dinesh bai haike kok sadi hne bo samani kari Bijoy Deborma bo phiaba o jaga bo chini da Dinesh abono tuye daud khlaika bo Bijoy songno sariwi toni o hne amo haita